Did you hear that? Easy, I won't hurt you. You're hurt, aren't you? You'll be okay. You're getting stronger. Look at you now. Maybe it's time. I'm proud of you.